How to save Word file into PDF. Yes, you are listening right. Today we're gonna talk about how to convert Word file into PDF. I'm Gogi from How to Do, and today we're gonna talk about this topic. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe this channel for get more videos like this. Now watch the video till the end and learn how to convert Word file into PDF. Let's get into this system. It's our system, and over here we have this a word file. We have edited something and added a data over here, and if we want to add save it as a PDF, now we have to go to the file option and go to the save as, and after that we have to give name, whatever name we want to give, and after that we have to choose from this drop down menu and go to the PDF and click on save. Voila, that's it. Your file is just saved into PDF. And if you don't able to do this in this way, just go to the website called name I love PDF. You have to go to the I love PDF, go to this word to PDF file option and select the file from over here and go to the word to PDF. Open this file and it will show you convert option. Click on convert and it will start converting in front of you. You have to just download that file from over here, and that's it. Your file is saved and now you can use wherever you want to use it. Hope you understood that how you can easily convert a word file into PDF. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Bye bye for now.